What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be touching on what is it like owning your own fragrance oil business. And as you guys see, got all the several different body oils. And it's relatively cool. It's just more so owning a body oil business. It's a really lucrative business, especially like if you're somebody who does a lot of pop-up events. You can pretty much carry these anywhere and make a lot of quick cash very fast. It's more so it's like owning like a cologne business or whatever. I typically sell the 1 ounce bottles and also 1 1/3 ounce bottles. Both sell really well. But right now I'm actually preparing for a major event tomorrow that's supposed to have about 7,000 people. So hopefully that goes really well and hopefully I sell out. But as far as owning a fragrance oil business, is pretty decent. Startup cost is very cheap. You can really start an oil business for like $50, $80, $200. Really like this batch right here costs $70 to make. And for any of you guys who actually want to start your own oil business, you guys can actually email me at thealexanderbrand@gmail.com and we'll get you guys started with our wholesale packs. Eventually on our website we'll have wholesale packs. But it's pretty lucrative. And of course we sell like other products like incense, shea butter, and all that other good stuff. And that's what it's like owning a fragrance body oil company. What you guys will do, we will be having more tutorials on how to use body oils, different ways you can use body oils, as well as some of our other products coming on this channel. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share.